Hello there everyone, this is Yusuf. In this video I'll be showing you how to format and partition your thumb drive, your USB thumb drive. It has many benefits and it has many useful things that you can do with that. If you want to know more, you can click on the link on the description. It's going to take you to my website and you can read the article. For now, go ahead and launch the Explorer in Windows, and if you're on Mac you can also do the same thing. You can do the same thing in Mac, except the utility that you're going to use on Mac is going to be different. For now we're going to use Windows, and right click on the thumb drive, go ahead and format it. If you have any files, make sure you move the files back them up to the desktop first. Click on start, it's going to format it just like regular formatting. You've probably done that before already. This is just to make sure that all the allocation are being corrected and sectors, etc. And you don't want to get into running problems when you already have a partition and you have things in there. So go ahead and search for partitioning. It's going to show you this: create and format this hard disk partitions. Click on it. You're going to click here. First, make sure you close this, then click on shrink. Okay, now choose the size that you want to partition your USB thumb drive. As you can see, I'm gonna make this 50. Click on shrink, and it's actually 4 gigabytes. So it was actually intended to make 5 gigabytes, but it's not gonna make it exactly the way you write it, because you have to convert gigabytes to megabytes by timesing it by 1024. I think you can do that online, or you can click on the link on the description. It's going to show you how to do it. It's going to take you to my website. So when you're done, just click on use symbol volume and just create it again. You can choose any letter. You can go ahead and rename it however you want. I'm just going to name it to you real quick because I don't want to take your time. Now, as you can see, it's already done. So now, as you can see, I got 2 USB thumb drives. Now, of course, right here it shows a CD because I'm using a program. That's why it shows this. But for you, it's just gonna show your USB. Now, obviously, you can do this with hard drives too. I also want to mention that for some people, they might say this didn't work for me. Well, I'm not sure. You probably have some kind of one of those cheap, USB drives. So you gotta know what you have. Sometimes some companies don't allow you to do it, some manufacturers. But if there's any issues and you want help still, you can go ahead and go to my website, click on the link on description, and you will see a chat box. You can chat with me anytime. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.